Here we go. We have a question, indices of subarray sum. So you have given an array containing positive integers and your task is to find a continuous array whose sum equal to the target. You need to return the value according to one base indexing. You need to find the first subarray and that's all about the description. If the answer is not possible, return -1. So we have given this array, we need to find 12. So 12 is this. We need to find the first subarray. So what's the index? So if we start from 0, but it is clearly given that we have to start from one base indexing. So we have to consider this element as our first element. So second, third and fourth. So the answer is 2 and 4. First index and the last index. In this we need to find 15. So we got 15. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So we have given 15 from index 1 to 5. In this we need to find 2. So 2 is not there. 2 is not a subarray. So that's why answer is -1. So I have taken the same test case here. So let's build the approach. So what we will do, we will start iterating, and whenever we find any bigger value, we will start removing the value from the left hand side. So we remove one particular value while our current answer, current window answer is greater than target. And if we got the subarray sum equal to target, this is our answer. If subarray sum still less than target, we're gonna need more elements. So now let's iterate. This is simple iteration. We're gonna use two pointer first to iterate from left to right, and one another variable I will name it L to remove the value from left hand side. So we have given this array summation is 1. We have given this array summation is 3. We have given this array subarray element. So the summation is 6. Then we got this. So the summation is 13. So summation is now more than target value. So what we will do? We will try to remove the values from the left hand side. So now we have this window. We just remove this value. So just uh, subtract this element from our current summation. So what we got? We got 12. So we have L pointer initialize here, R pointer initialize here. So just return L plus 1 and R plus 1. That's it. Very simple. Now let's do the same approach here. So we have gotten 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 10. So 1 plus 2, yes. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 4. But I think, yeah, we have given 15. So let me change it. Uh, let me take value 13. So what we got? 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So 15 is more. Uh, we need to remove values from the left hand side. So till here we have gotten 15. So now let's remove one value, and we have gotten 14. Still it is more. So remove one more value. So this is a while loop. So we have removed one more value. So now what's the summation? 9 plus it is 12. So now it is less than target. We need to find more such elements. So 12 plus 6, 18. More than it is greater than target. So remove value from here. What we got? 15. Still more. Remove this value. We have gotten 11. Add one more value because because current summation is less. So we have gotten 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5, 18. So we have gotten 18, which is more. Remove value. Then we have gotten 6. We have just removed 5. So we have 13. So this is our answer. Return L plus 1 and r plus 1. Let's do the same thing for this test case. So we have this summation is 5. It is more, so remove element. Now we have now we have 0. It's time to because our summation is less than target, we need to add more value. So we have 3. It is more, so remove this value. We have gotten 0. Jump to the next value. We have 4, so current summation is 4. It is more, so remove this value, and we have 0. So whenever there is answer possible in the array, we have if condition, and it will just add l plus 1 and r plus 1 into the list and just directly return it. After the for loop, if after the for loop, we are just adding -1 and returning our answer. So now let's code this. Code is very simple. So we have n, l and current answer. This is simple R loop, right hand side. Just take this value, and while our current is greater than target, we need to remove value from the left hand side. If we have, if the current summation, if the summation of the subarray of this current subarray is equal to target, add l plus 1 r plus 1. At the end, if no value is found, return -1 and answer. Add -1 and return answer. Let's submit this, and let's talk about time and space complexity. So as we have for loop and inside this we have while loop, so there might be a confusion that the time complexity is n square, but in reality it is only order of n, because in the worst case you can say it will be order of 2n, but overall the time complexity is order of n. We have simple L and R pointer, so it's a two pointer approach, and in most of the cases two pointer approach will run in order of n time. Let's check out, and we have met the expected time and space complexity. Successfully solve this question, and this question is asked in Amazon, Flipkart and Google. So this is a pretty simple question, and if you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching.